Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some dairy milk cookies. Let's begin. So into your mixing bowl of choice, place in your butter, your granulated white sugar and your light brown sugar and mix the two until they are well combined. So once your butter and sugars are well combined, you can then start adding in the egg a little at a time, beating well in between each addition. So once your eggs have been fully incorporated, you can then scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You will then want to add in your dry ingredients, sifting them first to remove any lumps. Mix this in on a low to medium speed just until the flour is incorporated. While that's happening, add in your chopped chocolate. So once your cookie dough is done, it won't be very sticky, but it will be quite firm. This is ideal for these cookies as I'm deciding to put a filling in them. If the mixture is too sticky, it wouldn't work very well. So once you've got your cookie dough ready, you'll want to also get some chocolate spread. I'm using Cadbury's, but feel free to use whichever you like. And then you'll want to get 2 scoops of cookie dough and place a small amount of the chocolate spread in the middle, rolling the 2 balls together into one and then placing it on your baking tray. Repeat this until you've got 6 on a medium to large baking tray. So once you've got a tray or 2 full, you can then put them into the oven and bake off. All that information will be in the link to my blog in the description down below. Repeat the process for as much cookie dough as you've got left, and if you don't feel like baking them all off now, feel free to freeze the dough balls in the freezer. So once your cookies are fresh out of the oven, feel free to place a few pieces of dairy milk chocolate on top of each one. This is optional, but it does add to the flavour and the look of the cookies. So once the cookies have had some time to cool on the baking tray, I will then transfer them from the baking tray onto a cooling rack where I can leave them to cool completely. So here are what the cookies look like once they've baked and been allowed to cool for a little while. As you can see, you've got that chocolate in the middle, which really does add to the flavour. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back on Friday with another video. If you have any suggestions for future videos during Bakemas or beyond, feel free to leave them in the comments down below or message me on one of my social medias. I will leave all links and everything you need to know in the description of this video down below. So that's all for today. Bye guys.